Chris 6 News at noon continues.
Well, good noontime, everybody. It is absolutely gorgeous out there. I mean, we got down to the 30s this morning, but today we're getting up into the upper 60s, almost 70 degrees. Right about now, we're at 65 at the airport, 61 in Port Aransas, 68 in Kingsville. The winds are beginning to turn around. Obviously, when the wind's out of the north, that brings in cold air. When it turns around to the southeast, that brings in the Gulf air, which is a little milder. And then when we get a strong southwest wind, well, then we dry up and we heat up, and that's what we're going to be looking at for the next couple of days. But if you need dry weather, today's the day, and tomorrow on the way through the weekend, we're looking good. Temperatures across the state, these are the forecast highs, should get up to about 70 degrees, 60s up in North Texas, and very mild weather is with not only us, but for much of the state for the next 3 days. In fact, we're going to get a strong southwest wind ahead of this next storm. Now, this storm is producing a lot of wind and rain and snow throughout Northern California. It's going to drop down into Los Angeles tonight, and then this frontal system is going to cross the southwest. Generally speaking, if it comes in this direction, northwest, we look for something. But because it's digging down so far to south, it's going to pick up a southwest wind, and that's going to make our temperatures get up into the 80s on Friday and Saturday before they drop with that frontal passage. So forecast highs today across, actually these are the current temperatures across the country, 60s for us, in the 40s and through the Intermountain region where they're going to be getting a lot of precipitation. You know, they've been waiting for this for about 4 or 5 years, and now it's all coming at one time. So what about us? Sunshine today, looking good for the next couple of days. We pick up that southwest wind, and that's going to make a big difference in our temperature. Now, I know it looks like it's getting cloudy here, but these are high clouds coming in from the storm on the west coast, and it's not until about Thursday and then on into Friday when the front moves into New Mexico, we're going to pick up this southwest wind. That's what we call a dry slot, and that's going to dry up a lot of our atmosphere. So when the front passes through, yes, it will knock the temperature down, but it's not going to bring us much in terms of rain. However, early next week, yeah, it looks like we're back to that stuff. So here we go. If you need dry weather today, tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. On Sunday morning, we get that little front. It's going to cool us down about 10 degrees. But then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week, we're going to be looking at back to the drizzlies. You know, that stuff we had over the weekend. It looks like it's coming back next week. So if you need dry weather, now's the time to get it. And of course, tomorrow for Valentine's Day, couldn't ask for nicer sunshine. In fact, you might just want to go down to the beach and have a little barbecue or a tailgate. Just an idea.